Okay, is it our CO2? Yeah. How do we know? 3 things. First of all, just do the bookkeeping. We've got a pretty good idea how much stuff we're burning. We see that CO2 in the air moving into the oceans. Okay, good match. Could it be anything else? All right, our friends of mine, Sue Brantley, Don Voigt, used to go out and measure the CO2 coming out of volcanoes. CO2 from volcanoes is between 1% and 2% of the human source. Are Sue and Don wrong by a factor of 100? No. How do I know that aside from knowing Sue and Don? Well, there are tracers that tell us that. You can tell from the 14 to 12 carbon ratio and the 13 to 12 carbon ratio that the rise in CO2 is coming from something that was alive but has been dead a long time. You can tell from the drop in oxygen in the atmosphere that it's coming from burning for something. If you try to make CO2 by melting rocks to feed a volcano, it doesn't use oxygen. If you try to make CO2 by burning something, it uses oxygen. So there's a prediction. If it's a volcano, no change in oxygen. If it's burning, oxygen should be dropping. What is oxygen doing? Dropping. We can pound on the table. There's really nothing serious to discuss about this. CO2 is rising primarily from our burning of fossil fuels.